Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting power and video ready. Plug the official USB-C PD cable into the dock's power port, then attach HDMI to your display. Once done, make sure the Switch 2 has its latest firmware, updates fix docking bugs. You should remove bulky cases that prevent a flush fit. This improves contact and cooling. Check the dock interior for debris and align the console so the USB-C connector will meet the dock straight on. Don't force it. Guide it. You align the Switch 2 vertically above the dock, keeping the screen facing you so you can see alignment. Lower it slowly until the USB-C mates. Once the connection engages, listen for a subtle click and watch the console screen go dark. This indicates it routed video to the dock. If the TV doesn't show content, press the TV's input selector. Once video is confirmed, you can connect a wired LAN adapter or USB peripherals to the docks. You finish by verifying display settings on the Switch 2, set resolution and audio output to match your TV. If you see no signal, first reseat the HDMI and power cables, then remove and redock the console. If necessary, reboot the console while docked. Try a different HDMI cable or TV port to isolate the issue. As a key troubleshooting tip, if overheating or frame drops appear, ensure the dock vents aren't blocked and allow a cool-down period, because temperature can interrupt docking performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.